Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to create dark brown Lightroom preset in just few minutes. Today's preset is also kept within a zip file which is password protected. So while watching the video, keep a close eye on the top right corner of the display area. The password will appear there. And just before beginning, if you are new to the channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any future updates. Without further ado, let's get started. We will start with light. Next, we will go to curves. We will choose the luminance curve. Click on done, and our next section is color. Next, we will color grade the photo. For doing that, we will go to grading. Click on done, and next we will go to color mix. Click on done, and now we will adjust the effects. Next, we will go to detail. Next, go to optics and remove chromatic aberration. You can see that our look has been already created. Now we will copy the settings so that we can apply it on other photos. Again, go to options and click on paste settings. Now just before creating the preset, we will check the before and current look of the photos. Before, and here's the current look. before and the dark brown look. Now we will create the preset. For doing that, we will go to options and we will click on create preset. We will name it as dark brown and click on done. And now if you have updated your Lightroom application, you can see that the whole preset section has been moved just after the crop tool. It's here. And right now from the library, go to my presets, and here you can see the preset we have just created. So that is all for this one. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.